How to bypass censorship with Tor Browser 10.5 on macOS. The normal way to download Tor Browser is from www.torproject.org. If your country blocks the Tor project website, send an email to gettor@torproject.org. In the body of the email, write the name of your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. After a few minutes, you'll get an email back giving you alternative download links. We'll demonstrate the download process using the Tor project website. Click the button Download Tor Browser. For the biggest choice of languages, click the link Download in another language or platform. Download the 64-bit file for macOS. We assume you want maximum security, and so you'll want to verify the signature of the download. If you don't want maximum security, you can skip the GPG signature verification steps. Save the Tor Browser signature file. For signature verification on macOS, you need to download and install GPG tools from gpgtools.org. Download GPG tools for macOS. After the download is complete, install GPG tools for macOS by opening the DMG file. Click Install, then accept all the installer defaults. Open a terminal. Change into the Downloads directory. Locate the Tor Browser signing key. You can copy the GPG commands from the video description. export this key to a keyring. Verify the signature on the download with the gpgv command and your Tor keyring. You should see a message, "Good signature from Tor Browser developers." You have now verified your download. This is the end of the optional GPG verification steps. Open the Tor Browser DMG file and drag it into your Applications folder. Launch Tor Browser. The first screen that appears is called the Tor Launcher. If your internet is uncensored or weakly censored, you can connect directly to the Tor network. In countries with strong censorship, you must reconfigure Tor network settings. We are going to use a bridge to bypass censorship. Bridges help you access the Tor network in places where Tor is blocked. Depending on where you are, one bridge may work better than another. Check the box to say you are going to use a bridge. There are three kinds of bridges: OBFS4, macAzure, and Snowflake. OBFS4 bridges are the fastest. macAzure are slower, but may work where OBFS4 bridges are blocked. They use a technique called domain fronting. Snowflake is new, and uses volunteers' computers as entry points to the Tor network. We'll demonstrate OBFS4 bridges. They scramble your traffic so that there is no recognizable pattern to it. This impedes deep packet inspection. There are various ways to get OBFS4 bridges. Some OBFS4 bridges are built into Tor. You do not need to do anything special to use these. You can request additional OBFS4 bridges from within Tor Browser. This feature is called Moat. The bridge lines are retrieved for you. You can also provide OBFS4 bridges you know. These can be public or private bridges. You can read the procedure for obtaining public OBFS4 bridges by visiting bridges.torproject.org. If the Tor project website is blocked in your country, send an email from a Gmail or RiseUp account to bridges@torproject.org. leave the email subject blank, and write get transport OBFS4 in the email message body. If you obtain bridge lines outside of Tor Browser, whether public or private, you must manually paste them into Tor Browser. When you've specified your bridge option, press the Connect button at the top of the page. Wait while Tor Browser bootstraps. You can see the progress bar move from left to right. When Tor is connected, visit check.torproject.org. You are now connected to the international internet through nodes in the Tor network.